Hey everyone, my name is Joe and today I'm going to be teaching you how to copy a line segment and an angle. So let's get started. When it comes to materials, you'll need a piece of paper, a protractor with a straight edge, and a pen or a pencil. Today I'm going to be using pen so you can see it a little bit easier. Let's go ahead and start with copying a line segment. So first you're going to take your straight edge and your pen or your pencil and you're going to draw a line preferably larger than the segment you are trying to copy. When you are finished drawing your line, create a point at the beginning and label it A prime. Next, we're going to get our protractor and place the silver point on our A and measure the distance to point B. Without changing the distance we just made with our protractor, put the silver point on your A prime. Then create an arc on your line segment for point B. Once you have your completed arc, you can create a point and label it B prime. And that is how you copy a line segment. Now let's focus on copying an angle. To start, we are going to repeat the first steps of copying a line segment. So take your straight edge and your pen or pencil and create a line preferably larger than the angle you are trying to create. Next, we're going to grab our protractor and we are going to place this silver point on the intersection at our angle. Then measure the distance from the point to X and copy onto your line. Here you can see me doing a little dash and a little arc to mark where my X point should be on my angle. Next, I'm going to go ahead and create a point and label it X prime. Using the same distance that we just measured, place your silver point on the beginning of your line segment and create an arc larger than the angle you are trying to replicate. Good job, and we're so close to being done. Next, we're going to measure the distance between our point X and our point Y using our protractor. Bring the silver point of your protractor onto your X prime and create an arc that intersects with the previous arch that we made. Next, create the point and label it Y prime. The final step is to get your straight edge and connect the beginning of your line to your Y prime. And congratulations, now we have successfully copied an angle. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope I was able to teach you something new. Bye!